How to fix Roblox problem reaching our servers. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So usually server problems are not fixable, but what you can do is, instead of waiting, simply go to Play Store and then search for Roblox. If there is an update button like this, simply update and get the latest version. After that, go to Settings, go to Apps, then find Roblox. Go to its storage section and then tap on Clear Cache. So after the server fixes itself from the center or the hub, you will have no problem in your game. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.